Okay, here's a first unboxing of this month. This is the AC 500 wagenborg and 2 extension kits for the Manitowoc 4100 ringers. First is the AC 500. This is the first unboxing of this month, so I'm gonna have a couple of unboxings for this month. I'm not gonna unbox the ringers because I already have one of them. Here's the wagenborg AC 500. This is the hook block, which is really nice. Counterweights. The model is pretty much the same, it's just in another livery. Here's the counterweight tray. The outrigger pads. And let's see the model. This is a very nice model, by the way. I believe it's one of the nicest AC 500s. This is going to be my second AC 500. It's pretty nice. Very nice model. Unfortunately, there is a plastic rings on the tires, but that's okay. It's really nice. Very good. I'm glad I add this to my collection because it's really nice. I'll try to get a review of it if I have the time, because right now for Christmas I don't know if I'm going to have the time for it. So here it is. Hope you guys enjoy the unboxing video. Here are the kind of weights. There are 10 of them. And the ringer extension kits, which there are 2 of them. There's the first one. If anybody wants a ringer, just let me know. See what I can do. Okay, this completes the unboxing video for the AC 500 in wagenborg livery. Thanks for watching.